Okay, hey guys, welcome to the Pharmacy Technician Program Orientation. So this video is just to cover the items that were in the email, just to make sure that everybody is on the same page. There are a few things that need to be brought up, but other than that, this should be pretty straightforward. So the first thing we're going to cover are the required textbooks. There's three of them. They're all with Paradigm. They are the Pharmacy Practice for Technicians, the Pharmacology for Technicians, and the Pharmacy Lab for Technicians. All three books are going to have an online code. I can tell you guys right now that the Pharmacy Lab for Technicians, we're going to be using that code pretty much right off the bat first week, and I will have a video that explains how to use that code. But here's what the pack looks like. This is from our bookstore. This is the bundle. So we have it at a discounted cost for you guys for a savings because it is bundled this way. I would highly suggest doing it this way because it comes with all these online codes. That's what this blue thing is here. If you were to purchase them online, you would not get the online codes, and they're about 50 bucks a piece. So it's probably going to be a lot cheaper to get these from our bookstore than it is to like Amazon each book and then go to Paradigm and buy the codes. It's not worth it. It may actually cause you guys to be late with the first few assignments if you do that route. So I would highly, highly suggest getting it from our bookstore. A suggested textbook is the Clinician's Pocket Drug Reference, which you guys can get from the Play Store or whatever the iPhone version is of it. Required uniform, it's just the jacket only. You don't need the scrub pants. If you want the scrub pants, you can pick them up if you'd like, but it's not required, just the jacket is. You'll need to go in as soon as possible and try and order one. If it's not in your size, you'll need to try and order it in. If it's in your size, great, get it. You'll need it right off the bat. The style is long sleeve cotton blend, front pockets, and it's got a snap front, not a zip or button. Then the women's is going to be 4350 and men's is going to be 4450. Cost is $20.99, and then it goes up depending on the extra large size that you might need. Color is navy blue, brand is Cherokee Workwear. You can find these at Scrubs and Beyond. They're located on Lancaster. We have the address right here for you. Also a phone number and an email. And remember how I said you need to go in and get them as soon as possible, because if you need to order it, it could possibly take 14 days for it to come in. So if you don't have the size that you need to let them know ASAP so that they can order it in for you. If you have to have it ordered, you're going to need to order it by March 22nd to ensure that you have it by April 2nd. So you're going to need to have your jacket the first week of the term. Huge note here, so please listen to this very carefully. For spring term and summer term, all the lab classes, there are the two lab classes, I should say, one in spring, one in summer, they are going to have a few face-to-face classes that you will need to attend, wear your jacket, and perform some of the labs that we will be instructing you on. For PHM 120, which is just right around the corner for spring term, I can tell you right now that we are going to have one class at the end of April. We're going to have one class at the end of May, and then we're going to have a class on the final, so the final week. The final for PHM 120 is going to be a hands-on final. So you will have three classes that you will need to attend face-to-face. Each class will be, for us anyway, for PHM 120, will be a 4-hour class, each one of them. So you need to make sure that you have your immunizations, CPR, or any drug screening. All of that needs to be submitted. You will get an email when they've all been turned in and you're able to register. You must register before the first day of class, which is March 30th. All classes, the face-to-face classes anyway, are going to be either in room 117, 118, 120, or 122, and that is in building 8. Otherwise, all the other classes are online, so you don't obviously have a room that you need to come to. These are the classes that you will need to register for. PHM 101, which is Intro to Pharmacy Technology. The CRN is 80158, and that is going to be a fully online class. PHM 115, which is Pharmacy Operations Management, CRN is 80160. Again, that is a fully online class. PHM 120, if you notice here, it has two listings. It's got two different CRNs. One is for the lecture, one is for the lab. You will need to register for both of them. But the lecture is CRN 80162. That portion is fully online, but the lab, CRN 80164, says to be announced. The listing of the times and dates that we will be meeting are going to be in the syllabus, so you will see those after you get access to PHM 120. PHM 230, drug classifications, CRN is 75618, that is a fully online class, and PHM 231, pharmacology 1, CRN 80159, that is also a fully online class. So as you guys can see, it's basically a fully online run of this program. The only thing is those 3 classes that we will meet for in spring term, and you will also have some classes that you will need to meet for in the summer term. So additional information here. So this orientation video is going to be available for you guys on March 16th. You will need to review the video and you will answer the questionnaire and return it before the end of the day on March 18th. The questionnaire is going to be sent to you with your acceptance letter, and you're going to return the questionnaire to cheryl.buckholtz@chemeketa.edu. That is our program chair. She runs the pharmacy tech program, and she will be reviewing everybody's questionnaire to make sure that it is answered correctly and accurately. Any further questions for either one of us, you can contact me at 503-399-6154 or at my email, which is corey.clark@chemeketa.edu. Same thing with Cheryl. You can contact her at 503-365-4696, or you can email her at cheryl.buckholtz@chemeketa.edu. So one of the big things is the main mode or the primary form of communication for us is going to be via email. So phone numbers are great. They're great secondaries. We're not always in office, and so it tends to be a more of a difficult way to get a hold of us than via email. We always have our emails on and nearby, and so we're able to reply to you guys pretty quickly. Other than that, I think that is it. I think I've covered everything that is going to be in the questionnaire and everything that you guys need to know. So this is going to be posted very soon, and you guys should be able to see it earliest March 16th. So good luck, guys.